We're gonna find our friends, rescuing lost monsters. That's where we come in. Come on with us to Monster High. Hear our cry. We're calling out to monsters, all you spooky ghouls. Hey, monsters, 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 come with us to our school. The adventures of the Ghoul Squad. Ghoul Squad.
When we started the Ghoul Squad, you assured me we'd never have to jump out of a helicopter.
I said we probably wouldn't have to. Well, it was all worth it to rescue this little monster. Welcome to Monster High!
Well, now that our mission is done, we can just spend the rest of the day relaxing. And by relaxing, I guess I mean sitting through humanology class.
All right, students, take your seats, because it's time to learn all about human holidays. Special days throughout the year that the humans have deemed worthy of celebration. This is a present, something you give to somebody else as a way of saying, hey, I think you're pretty fantastic.
It looks like box.
Ah, the present is inside the box. You have to open it.
How can you open it if it's wrapped up in all that paper?
You tear the paper off and then open it.
Well, why wrap it up in paper in the first place if you're just gonna rip it all off?
Because humans are weird, that's why. Moving on. Another human holiday tradition is the big family meal. Well, there was a big family meal here. Where did it go?
Mr. Duff, this is all very interesting, but I am curious. Why do the humans have these holidays?
Well, because,
Who knows? Why does stomach howl like werewolf when yak milk has gone sour? Just another of life's great mysteries. What? That not happen to you guys?
Anyway, I'm sure we could all come up with hundreds of theories as to why humans have holidays. But the fact is, without actually talking to a human, we'll never really know. Now, next up we have... Oh, Gob, are you serious?
Webby, there must be a good reason for all of this. Never used the monster mapalog to find a human before. I wonder... Normie Town Exto Monstrum? That figures. I guess I'll never... I'm in Normie Town!
You're a grizzly bear.
I know! A polar bear!
Some kind of bear?
No, I'm a monster.
Again? You already did, monster.
Yeah, but you didn't get it last time either.
Did you hear that?
Oh, seriously? It was outside. Maybe it's a real monster. Gotcha! Huh?
Honey, we talked about this. There's no such thing as monsters.
So you're saying human holidays are about stomping around and growling?
Well, hey, I can do that.
No, what I mean is, it's about family and friends and laughing and just being together with one another.
Oh, well, I can do that too.
Exactly! Which is why we are going to create the first monster holiday. A Howliday! That's a voltageous idea, Draculora! If the humans get to have holidays, why can't we? I love it! But what do we do on our Howliday?
I can picture it now. Great big decorative pyramids, elegant mummy wrappings draped from the rafters, and then I come riding in on a giant golden sphinx.
Cleo, your Howliday sounds a little, mommy-centric.
I know! and see how happy I look.
This holiday is going to be for all monsters. But we have vampires, werewolves, whatever gob is. How do we come up with something that makes everyone happy? Oh, I say we ask the students what they think the holiday should be. You're pricing giant golden sphinxes, aren't you?
You never know what the students are going to want. We might as well be prepared.
Hello, everyone, and thank you all for coming to pitch your ideas for the new Monster Holiday.
Don't be shy. Remember, there's no such thing as a bad idea.
But in case that's not true, I brought this bad idea buzzer.
First up, we have Wraith and Deuce.
Okay, check it. Wraith and I came up with a holiday called Dangerween!
It sounds dangerous.
Oh, it is.
I'm confused.
Is ice.
Right?
Ice make everything better.
But what does it do for the holiday?
Nothing is ice. Just sit there. So, what I win?
Gob wants to demonstrate a holiday he calls Gob's Giving.
Great big decorative pyramids, elegant mummy wrappings.
Cleo?
Yeah, all right.
I think the holiday should be all about getting together with your family. And then spend the whole day bickering and arguing with them. Like so.
Why do we have to do this every single year? Can I go now? It's your fault. It's your fault.
Oh, everyone gave us so many holidays. How are we supposed to choose? What about Gil's holiday? That seemed fun. Spend all day underwater? Anyone? New Year's Eve? St. Patty's Day? Bring your spider to work day?
They're all so creative, but I don't see a holiday that's going to make every kind of monster happy.
Why do I have to do this every single year?
What's happening?
Yeah, we got tired of waiting for you to make a decision, so everyone just decided to go ahead and have their own holiday party by themselves.
Dangerween!
Will everyone keep it down? We can barely hear ourselves bickering!
Happy holidays, everyone?
Gob!
Abominable Exto Monstrum! Draculaura Exto Monstrum!
Is that everyone? No.
It's your fault. No, it's your fault.
Leo! Hey, Ghoul.
What are you doing?
This holiday was supposed to bring everyone together, but it's tearing the school apart.
Told you this is what the holidays are all about.
No, it's not. I'll show you what the holidays are about. Try to gather everyone into the library.
I had this
that was gonna go so smoothly.
What are you doing?
Dude, my clothes got wet.
Hello, can everyone see me? When I first wanted to have a holiday for monsters, I had no idea what it would look like. But it doesn't matter what we actually do during our holiday, as long as we have this.
Whoa, there's a lot more laughter and togetherness. And a lot less arguing and jetpacks going on over there.
Sorry our holiday messed up your holiday, Gob.
And I am sorry your Howliday was too weak to withstand my ice, fish boy.
We all went a little overboard. We should just be happy to be together.
You know, we can't do everyone's holiday, but maybe we can take a little from each one.
Yeah, like instead of crazy jetpacks, we just do some simple sparklers instead.
Oh.
And we don't need mountains of food. But we should still have a meal together.
And instead of a really big sphinx, maybe just a kind of big one.
That's the spirit. This is going to be a holiday for all monsters. And that's why we should call it... Mom! I heard it again! The monster came back. Monster High Extra Monstrum! We should call it All Monsters Day.
That's just what I was saying.
Let's put it on the calendar. The first All Monsters Day will be this weekend.
Oh my Ghoul, that's in like 3 days.
Whoa,
Yep,
better
we got a
get
lot of work
So
to
many
do.
paper cups.
I love the holidays. What a creeperific idea! Having a big parade to celebrate the first holiday. I cannot wait for All Monsters Day. Wrench!
Draculaura, this is not a race. Slow down. And Fangelica, stand back. Maybe just a little bit slower.
Dad, for the last time, I'm not going to hurt myself. I've got this.
All right. I'll give you your space.
Stop! You ghouls hear that? Nobody move. They're coming. They're right over here! You think you can sneak up on your big sis? Come on now!
What's wrong, Frankie? Huh? Oh, nothing.
She's lying. What? Her left neck bolt always sparks when she lies.
No, it doesn't. It does? You can tell me, Frankie. It's no big deal. But ever since we decided to have our first holiday, I've been thinking a lot about family. I've just been wondering what it would be like if I had a sister to spend the holidays with. Oh, but Frankie, everyone here at Monster High is your family. And the Ghoul Squad, we're your sisters. I know, and I love all of you. But I'm talking about someone who has the same electricity in their veins. I just thought of something. I was built in a laboratory, the product of science and electricity. So who's to say I couldn't use the same process to build a little sister? She'll be just like me in every way. She'll be smart, confident, and most importantly, she'll love science. But first, a little mad science music to set the mood. Is she alive? She is alive! She's Alivia! Alivia, I like that. The wonders of science never cease to astound and humble. A moment of this magnitude deserves an eloquent statement that captures the enormity of creation. We only get one shot at this, Frankie. Say something profound. Sister selfie! Wow.
Can we get you anything, Cleo?
Actually, since you asked, my eye coffin is about to die. Anyone have a charger?
You're supposed to be helping us with the float.
I am helping. I'm supervising.
And last thing we did?
Fine, I'll get to work. Huh. Say I'm not helping. They're gonna get so much helping they'll say, okay, Cleo, that's enough with the helping. Now, how to build your parade float engine in 900 easy steps. I've got this. Oh. Hey, can you hand me that U-shaped doodad over there? Smaller version of Frankie? Oh.
Olivia, this is the Ghoul Squad. Ghouls, meet Olivia. My sister. Olivia. Nice to meet you. Isn't she voltageous?
Hi, ghouls.
How come your car has a big house on it?
Well, Olivia, this car is actually up. We can figure this out, can't we, Olivia? Using the scientific method.
Okay.
We're going to stay up all night doing lab experiments, solving equations. And if we're feeling a little adventurous, I have a few old clocks that we can take apart and put back together.
Oh, sounds like fun.
We're gonna have so much science fun! Right, Olivia? Olivia? Oh! Such an inquisitive mind. Just like her big sis. Come on, Olivia! I have our whole day planned out.
Oh. Can I see that one more time?
But there's so much more to see. Let's go! Science awaits!
Oh, okay.
Oh. Ta-da! Okay, Olivia, so chemistry isn't your thing. No big. But if this doesn't get you excited about science, nothing will. I am going to teach you how to turn a potato into a battery!
Why do we need to make a potato battery when you already have one right there?
Well, because... potato science?
Oh, cool! Frankie, what's this?
That's a camera.
Where's the phone part?
Yeah, they used to just be cameras. Weird, I know.
Wow. Can I try it out?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Voltageous! Thanks, Frankie!
Fantastic job, ghouls! This float is just about ready for the big Howliday parade.
All that's left is to finish building the engine. Taken care of.
You put together that whole engine by yourself?
Sure, it was easy. I can build engines in my sleep. In fact, I built one in my sleep last night. Right.
Frankie, what's the matter? Where's Olivia? Oh, she's off taking pictures or something. Sounds like little sister's really taking a liking to photography. Yeah, well, what do you think allows the photons of light to react with the film emulsion in that camera?
Potatoes?
Science!
That was my second guess.
I'm sensing your day of fun-filled sister science didn't go the way you planned. I just don't understand why she's not like me.
Olivia is like you, Frankie. She's forming her own opinions and interests.
Even if those interests are not exactly the same as yours. I guess I was just hoping we'd have something to bond over.
The thing about family relationships is they're a lot like building an engine. And if you work at it long enough, all of a sudden you discover you're an expert. Why am I moving? Step on the brake! Which one's the brake? Cleo!
Oh. Olivia! No, wait!
I just realized that I'm only a few hours old and don't know how to drive this thing.
Oh?
Thank you.
Draculaura! Oh! Olivia, Exto Monstrum!
float is headed right for Normie Town. We can't let the humans see us. We have to stop that float. Get me as close to Cleo as you can.
Come on, Frankie, let's rock!
Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Ah! The wheel is locked. We have to start the engine.
Cleo, where's the engine?
Somebody must have sabotaged the perfectly good engine I built.
That might work for now, but there's no battery.
Voltages!
My sister saved the day with science.
Show me some of those action pics you took.
Olivia, these are really good. Where'd you get all this talent?
Well, you made me. So it obviously came from you.
I think this is gonna be the best holiday ever.
They told you everything was waiting for you. They told you everything was set in stone. But now you're feeling like a different ending.